Hey guys, before this video starts, I just want to say I don't personally have this PC myself, so I couldn't bring you a real life review. But nevertheless, if you guys did enjoy, just hit the like button, subscribe, and also part the mic cut out throughout the video. So I'll leave out a text field to fill out the parts in which the mic cut out. Hope you guys do enjoy it, and see you guys next time. Peace. Most of you will be looking to buy a new gaming PC, and I'm here to help you with that. This PC is a killer for its price tag, so sit back, enjoy the gameplay, and of course the review, and stay to the end of the video as I'll be giving away a free Steam key. So yeah, first of all, we're going to be starting off with the processor type, and the processor comes with an Intel quad core coming at 2.4 gigahertz. Yeah, this processor isn't that good, but because of the PC price, we had to go a bit lower. Most people have processors going at Intel Skylake i5. I'm not really sure with motherboards. So the motherboard is a socket 775 board, but since it's included in this PC, I thought it was really good. For the graphics card, it's a GeForce GTX 750 Ti coming at 2 GB, and trust me, this 750 Ti is a killer GPU. It plays games over 60 FPS on high settings, and I recommend you guys get this PC because the graphics card is good. Coming at 2 GB, games like GTA 5 need at least a graphics card that has 1 GB VRAM, and this has 2. So yeah, it can run GTA on high and probably on ultra settings, but probably on 30 FPS. This PC includes a DVI-D cable, a VGA, and a HDMI cable, and it comes in at 8 GB of RAM. So 8 GB of RAM nowadays is an exception. Most people have 16, but that's if you want to do hardcore gaming. 4 GB is not an exception right now. So if you're looking to buy a new game PC, don't get 4 GB. Just get 8 GB. Comes out, the hard drive capacity is 1 TB, but if you want an SSD, for a 120 GB SSD, you have to pay £36. But 1 TB, that's a hard drive, is really good. The operating system is Windows 7 Pro, but if you guys are looking to get Windows 10, then I think Microsoft is still giving out Windows 10 for free. Hold on, I'll check for you guys.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out place. All around me are familiar.
Oh, it looks like they don't. Well, I think you can either, to get Windows 10, you can create an ISO file or a mount on a DVD. So yeah, look around and see what you guys can do to get Windows 10. The case is vintage blue, and the case dimension, if you're into this, the width is 202 millimeters, the height is 248 millimeters, and the depth is 464 millimeters. And this PC includes a keyboard and mouse, just a standard keyboard and mouse. But if you guys have your own keyboard and mouse, like for gaming, so yeah, you guys can go buy it on eBay, Amazon. They're really cheap there. So the pros about this PC: great PC for gaming. Comes with a keyboard and mouse, and it's covered by a 12-month RTB warranty. The cons, it doesn't come with a monitor, so you have to fetch your own monitor for a cheap price. You can search on Amazon or other websites to get a cheap monitor. For the GTX 750 Ti, games like Watch Dogs can run on high settings, getting at least 40 FPS. FIFA can run at ultra settings, it can run at 135 FPS. GTA can run over 60 FPS on high settings. Battlefield 4 on ultra settings in 1080p can run in 33 FPS. So most games, the games that have been made in 2014 all the way to now, can run over 60 FPS. So yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, don't forget there's a giveaway in the link in the description, so go check it out, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.